We have discovered that some people don't really know what they need when it comes to hard plastic or acrylic protective screens. A major concern with this material is that in order to keep it clean, you have to use a strong cleaning agent to assure you thoroughly disinfect it. Constant use of disinfectant cleaners reduces screen durability and clarity on this type of material. We have developed and manufactured a tempered glass protective screen that is only 5 millimeters thick and is considerably more durable than the other screen protectors. This material is not adversely affected by cleaning products or disinfectants, and we are offering them to you at the same price. We offer this product in 3 standard sizes and prices as follows: 80 centimeters wide for €97, 100 centimeters wide for €107, and 120 centimeters wide for €120. These prices do not include the local IGIC taxes. These new generation screen protectors are now in stock and ready for pickup, or if you prefer, we can deliver them to you. We will also include mounting brackets at no additional charge.